In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple languages to your website using Hostinger's Website Builder. Creating a multilingual website is a fantastic way to reach a wider audience and cater to diverse linguistic needs. With Hostinger, this process is straightforward and efficient. First, let's head over to the Hostinger homepage. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you're there, you'll see a dashboard filled with various options and settings. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials and sign in to access all your features. Next, from your dashboard, you'll want to locate the section labeled Websites. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page that lists all the websites linked to your Hostinger account. Here, you'll find the website you're looking to make multilingual. Once you've identified it, click on Edit Website. This will take you directly into the website editor where you can start making changes. Now that you're in the website editor, look around for the More option. Hostinger organizes its tools conveniently, and the More option usually sits in an area that aggregates additional functionalities. Clicking on More will expand a menu with several actions you can perform on your site. In the expanded menu, one of the options you'll see is Translate. This is where you want to go. Click on it, and you're now entering into the translation feature of the builder. Here, you will have the opportunity to add and manage multiple languages, allowing you to customize your website's content to suit different language speakers. The translation feature is powerful and provides an intuitive interface to work with. Hostinger will guide you through selecting the languages you wish to add, and you'll have the chance to translate your website's text into each of these languages. This is crucial because having a properly localized website ensures that your content will be understood and resonate with your international audience. Keep in mind that as you work on translations, it's important to review each section carefully. Even though the system is intuitive, nuances in language can sometimes require a human touch to ensure everything reads naturally and accurately. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to having a fully multilingual website with Hostinger's Website Builder. This feature not only broadens your reach, but also enhances user experience, making it easier for visitors from different backgrounds to engage with your content. Remember, a multilingual website is not just about translating words, it's about communicating effectively with a global audience. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more insights into optimizing your online presence with Hostinger.